I am indebted to my father for living, but to my teacher for living well. A tomb now suffices for him, for whom the world was not enough. There is nothing impossible to him who will try. I am not afraid of an army of lions led by a sheep. I am afraid of an army of sheep led by a lion. When we give someone our time, we actually give a portion of our life that we will never take back. My treasure lies in my friends. Remember, upon the conduct of each depends the fate of all. Glory crowns the deeds of those who expose themselves to toils and dangers. Each moment free from fear makes a man immortal. As for a limit to one's labors, I for one do not recognize any for a high-minded man, except that the labors themselves should lead to noble accomplishments. For my part, I think that to a man of spirit there is no other aim and end of his labors except the labors themselves. There is nothing more slavish than luxury, and nothing more regal than labor. Fortune accompanies the brave. Often the lies that are believed become the truth. There cannot be two sons in heaven and two rulers on earth. Much is expected from that to whom much is given. The lot of kings is to do good, and nothing more regal than labor. Fortune accompanies the brave. Often the lies that are believed become the truth. And to hear bad, what medicine does not heal, iron heals. What iron does not heal, fire heals. What fire does not heal. And to hear bad, what medicine does not heal, iron heals. What iron does not heal, fire heals. What fire does not heal should be considered incurable. I would like to be distinguished, not by power, but by the knowledge of what is beautiful. The only true friend who will never betray is silence. Remember, fate depends on the ability to manage everything. A donkey loaded with gold will open the gates of any fortress. In the end, when it's over, all that matters is what you've done. With the right attitude, self-imposed limitations vanish. Those who do not know the value of loyalty can never appreciate the cost of betrayal. Let us conduct ourselves so that all men wish to be our friends, and all fear to be our enemies. Death is so terribly final, while life is full of possibilities. Sex and sleep alone make me conscious that I am mortal. Without knowledge, skill cannot be focused. Without skill, strength cannot be brought to bear. And without strength, knowledge may not be applied. When someone betrays you, it's because it is a reflection of their character, not yours. True